Hey everybody, today we're in a Jeep Wrangler JL model. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip Extra Strength Center Mount number 213546. Now, the first thing we want to mention is this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see it as this blue covering right here. You want to peel that covering off before you attach the mount to the dash. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount, it won't leave any marks or residue behind. The next thing we want to mention is make sure you attach the mount to the dash before you attach anything to the face plates. So with that, we'll get started. This mount is going to attach into two different places. There's a seam up by the windshield here, basically where the dash meets the windshield seam. And the second is just this front edge lip on the top of the dash here. So the first one we're going to do is this J-shaped angled edge is going to go up into this seam. So we're going to insert that and then basically pull the mount towards us so it latches in. Now we want to pull on the faceplate just to bend the mount enough to pull it down over this front lip. There you go. Now the mount's in place, we have a nice stable mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.